I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook app. So if you want to block a friend, go to the bottom right on your menu and then click on top left on your profile. Then go to your friends, find that friend you want to block, click on the three dots and just say block. And you can also do things like unfollow or unfriend. But if you want to block a group or leave a group, basically you need to find a group, click on it, click on join, and then you need to click on leave group. And after you leave a group, you can also block them, but it's not necessary since you already left it and nobody can see you in that group or comment on you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.